Hey guys, what's going on? Brandon Vitro here, and in this video we're going to be talking about Scotty Kilmer and how he was able to start making a crazy amount of money making videos on YouTube and making videos about cars. And this is a new type of video I'm trying out, so if you like it, please leave a comment and let me know that you like it. And I might make more videos like this in the future about different types of people on YouTube or just in general. So I just Googled Scotty Kilmer and this is what came up. So if you look at this, it's saying the top 3 videos that come up just from Googling his name are each within, 48 hours of each other. And so this is really impressive, and this shows you that he's constantly putting out videos. You have one here 19 hours ago, 1 day ago, and 2 days ago. So he is constantly posting videos. So let's actually click on his channel. Okay, so here he is, and he has 2.5 million subscribers. Whew. So obviously he has a huge channel, and if you look at his views, 4 hours ago he has 30,000 views, and just videos from a few days ago have 500,000 views. So he's getting views on every single video, and he's getting a lot of views. And if you look at these aren't his latest videos. These are different playlists, and each playlist has videos. This one's 4 hours ago, 2 days ago, 19 hours ago. He is constantly making videos. So let's check out how often he posts. So this looks like he is posting 2 videos per day, and each video is getting, it looks like, at least 200,000 views. So this is a guy posting 2 videos per day on a huge channel. He already has 2 million subscribers, and he is still posting 2 videos per day. Now, for most people, that would be extreme, and that's very hard to do. Like me, there's no way I could post 2 videos per day. But he is constantly able to come up with new ideas and talk about different subjects when it comes to cars. And if you look at all his different thumbnails, they're very simple, but also they are kind of catchy. So, he has the red arrow in a lot of them. And it's just simple thumbnails that aren't very complicated. Anyone could look at them and understand them and want to click on them. So let's go ahead and click on his latest video and talk about one of the other reasons he's making so much money. So here's his latest video. As you can see already, merchandise is coming up. And then here, okay, so he has his video here in the description, things used in this video. And common sense, I like that. That's awesome. Other things used in this video, so they have Amazon links, and these are affiliate links. So if I were to click on this link and buy this battery tester or this 4K camera, if I buy one of these things, it's actually going to give Scotty a little bit of money. And so you can see here he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has a bunch of these Amazon links, and each one of these could make him money if someone clicks there and buys it. And so let's look at the battery tester. First thing that came up. So this looks like $50 to $150. So if he sold one of these battery testers, it would make him approximately like $1.50. Could make him a little more, could be a little less. And so if he has 30,000 views within 4 hours, chances are a couple of people bought a couple of things from this list. And if you actually scroll down past the description and you go into the comments, his comment, he pins it to the top, and it's also the exact same list we just looked at. So his top DIY tools, and then also the things used in this video. And so you can see he's doing a very good job with the links. He's linking all his social media, all these different things to buy, and this is making him money. This is making him a lot of money because he has a huge channel of people looking for help on how to fix something, and he's recommending the tool that they need to fix it, and he's getting paid every time someone buys that tool. And so I think this is an awesome setup for him, and he is absolutely killing it. And you could do something like this with a different subject. If you wanted to talk about fitness and health, you could do, you could sell like bodybuilding supplements like pre-workouts, protein powders, and talk about which one's the best one or which one's going to help you the most. So this is something that almost anyone could do with almost any topic. Just because you don't know about cars doesn't mean you can't do a very similar thing. But he's definitely making a lot of money from this just because he's doing it so well. So I want to check out some of his most popular videos and see what those are. So we're going to go over here and check out his most popular. So here we go. He has a video with almost 10 million views, and it's only 1 year old. So things you should never do in an automatic. And again, like these super big videos that have millions and millions of views, none of them have really special thumbnails or anything. But they're things that people would search, or if they get recommended, like if I see one of these videos on my recommended, I'm probably gonna click on it. You know, like how to keep your car's AC blowing ice cold. That's like, anyone would wanna watch that. That's like applies to anyone who has a car. They're simple videos, but they're helpful, and they're something that anyone who has a car could watch that. So as you can see here though, he has been doing this for a long time. This video is from 8 years ago, and it has almost 3 million views. So he's been doing this for a very long time, and I think that probably is why his channel has grown so much. Yeah, like his second most viewed video was 8 years ago. And you can even look at this and say, you know, his videos from 9 years ago have very similar thumbnails to the ones, you know, 1 year ago. And, you know, you could say maybe he's not changing enough, but it seems like he has found something that works for him and he's sticking to it. And I think it's working out very well for him, obviously. So let's check out his most popular video. So he does also have ads on his videos, and this is another reason why he's making so much money, is because he's family friendly. So, you know, he doesn't cuss in his videos. He's just talking about how to fix up cars, and he has a goofy, good attitude. He's very, like, his personality is very out there, and it's something that's interesting to watch. And so he keeps you very interested in the video. So this video has almost 10 million views. And you can see here he has the exact same thing. So all the Amazon links, things he used in this video, you know, his most recommended products for cars, and it just seems like he is making videos that are helpful to anyone. And so I think YouTube ends up recommending videos that a lot of people will click on, and the more times and the more people that click on the video, the more it gets recommended to, and eventually it's just getting recommended to, like this video, almost 10 million people. And obviously enough people were clicking on it to keep it getting more recommendations. I'm sure he made a crazy amount of money from this video alone. But like I said, he's not doing anything impossible. He's not doing anything like super challenging. He's just making videos about cars. He's posting very often. He's using links that are gonna help people and that are also gonna make him money. And so I think he does have, obviously in these videos, a very good intention, and I think that's why he's so successful, because he's just offering things that people need and that are going to help people. And so because he's helping people and making money by doing that, I think that's why he's doing so well. And like I said, this is something you could do in almost any industry. If you look at people that are really big in like the makeup industry on YouTube, they're making crazy amounts of money just selling makeup and stuff like that. So you can do it in almost any industry. And obviously Scotty has figured out how to do it in the car industry. And as far as I know, he's like the biggest car guy in terms of like fixing cars. You know, there's bigger car channels showing off cars and stuff, but he does more like how to fix your car and work on it, stuff like that. In that niche, he, I think, is the biggest one, and he is obviously killing it and doing a very good job. So just to recap, the best thing Scotty is doing is he's family friendly, so he's getting the ad revenue from YouTube. The next thing is he's doing affiliate marketing, and he's offering products that are gonna help his audience. And because he's doing that, he's gonna make a bunch of money from that as well. And then on top of that, he's making a bunch of videos. So he's constantly making more, like right here you can see 4 hours ago, 19 hours ago, he is constantly making new videos. Those aren't even 24 hours apart. It seems like 2 per day, which is a lot of videos. So if you're able to recreate that in another niche, or you know, just do your own thing, you're able to do the same thing and make money doing it. And I think another big thing that makes Scotty Kilmer's channel so enjoyable is he does seem like he's having a lot of fun with it. And I think that's super important for growing a channel and having people enjoy it and making money, because if you're not enjoying it and you're just trying, you know, to push out videos without putting any effort in or without enjoying it, people are going to notice that, and they would rather watch someone who's having fun, I think. And I think that's, you know, he's having fun with it, and I think that's really helping him out. So I hope that helped you guys out, and I hope you enjoyed analyzing his channel and kind of how he's making money in different ways. And if you did enjoy that, leave a comment letting me know. that, you know, you want to see more videos like this, and I'll definitely make more like this. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will make sure I respond to them. And if you like my channel or you want to learn more about money and stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe and I'll make more videos, obviously. I try to make 3 videos a week. And hit a thumbs up on this video to really help me out. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to learn more about money, go watch some more of my videos and I will see you guys there.